Hello everyone, welcome back to MuleSoft with Azure integration series. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to store data into Azure container using MuleSoft. Okay, let's get started. So before going to store data, what is the first step? We need to have container. We need to have container in our storage account. So if you don't have, you can create. If you have, then that is fine. Then what is the next step? Create Mule project or flow. Okay, project or flow. That's our second step. Next, add the upload blob. Add the upload blob connector. Yeah, these are the major steps. We'll see it in a practical. Go to AnyPoint Studio. So instead of going to create one more project, I'll create another file here, Mule configuration file, ViTech Azure data load or storage. Okay, add the listener and configure this one. I'll keep it as load data. Okay, load data. Go to Azure storage. So if you don't have, then you can add it from Exchange. So here you can see upload blob. Okay, just add this connector. Before this, if you want, you can keep the loggers also here. Before upload data. Now this is very important. Just observe here. Okay, it is taking from configurations. So we need to configure account name and access key. Okay, account key. So how to take this? You can go to portal.azure.com, click on storage account, so which we have already created from the previous sessions. Go to access key here. So this is our storage account name, ViTech data Mule practice. So here we do have connection string. This you need to copy. Okay. So this one we have already copied for previous flow. From there it is taking. Okay. If you want, you can do test connection, whether this connection is working fine or not. Okay, it's working fine. Go to message flow here. This is for create container. Okay, upload blob. Observe here, there is a general option, store blob. Click on this drop down. Click on this edit inline. Okay, click on this edit inline. So here we need to configure our container name, file name, and file stream. I'll configure what is our container name. So where you want to keep it. Okay, there are many containers. If you want, we can pass it via Thundernet. Okay, I'll take it from attributes dot attributes dot query parameters. Okay, query forms. Container name, I will take it from there. The file name also, I'll take it from attributes dot. So if you want, you can hardcode, but I want to take the values from user choice. Attributes dot not query string, query forms. Query forms dot file name, the file stream. Okay, I'm going to keep it as payload. Now add the transform message. Just we'll add the payload here as of now. Add the breakpoints and let me run. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare endpoint for this. This is for container creation. Okay, container create. Same way where it went. The previous video we have seen how to create the container. Now we are going to load the data. So load data, I'm going to use post method, localhost 8081. Load data. This is our resource path. So here we need to provide, see here, the container name, file name, and data. This is very important. Just observe. And query parameters, container name. Suppose I'll give the wrong one as of now. Test I'll give. Instead of test1, I'll give test. File name, data.json. I want to create JSON file. Okay. There are two input parameters we are passing here. Next, from body, I want to store some test data. Okay. Class MuleSoft. Company ViTech. Just I want to store this information. Location Bangalore. Okay, just observe. It is deployed now. We'll go in a debug mode. Click on send. It came here. See if you observe payload. Okay, we can able to see this from attributes. So this is our query parameters. Container name and file name. Okay, cool. So it came to upload blob. Okay. It it will get failed. See, container not found. Container not found. So that is the reason we need to have container first. Now let's go to your storage account. So here you can select, okay, any one of the container. Test 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. You know how to create the container. From the last video, we have already seen. Okay, now I don't want to disturb this flow. Just I will change the input here. See, container not found, 500 server error. Fine. Test 1 I'm passing here. Click on send. Okay, before that, test 1. Is there any data? Just observe here. Nothing. Okay. Now what we can do is, I'll go to next step. Next. Next. Let's see what is the status. Okay, it is also giving us true. But if you want to keep, okay, if you want to keep custom message, you can keep that. Now we'll go and verify. Just to refresh here. See, data.json. It came at what time? 8:53. Okay. So the date and time, everything, it will be available here. What is the size? Okay. So if you want to view or edit, okay, you can see it here. See now. Suppose I want to change something. Okay. Bangalore. Click on send. So it's in a debug mode. Okay. So you have to go to AnyPoint Studio and you have to do this next process. Now it's completed. Just do refresh. See, automatically the values are changing. Okay. Automatically the values are changing. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. If you have any doubts, please do comment in a comment box. I'll happy to assist you for the same. Thank you. We'll see you in another session.